Hello, my name is Nick with Zachos Realty. I'm a real estate agent here in Sarasota, Florida. Continuing our breakdown of the areas and neighborhoods of Venice, in this video we're going to take a look at the Capri Isles area. The Capri Isles area of Venice is located just west of 75 and east of Pinebrook Road. Here you can find many different housing options, from maintenance-free condos and villas to beautiful single-family homes, many of which offer great waterfront or nature views. For shopping, you have the Venice Commons right on Venice Avenue with a Publix there, and there's also a few great dining options as well. This neighborhood is actually home to 3 different golf courses, those being Waterford, Capri Isles, and Pelican Pointe. Looking at the golf courses, all of which are semi-private, Waterford is one of my favorite courses in the area, with 27 picturesque holes and a great driving range and practice area as well. Pelican Pointe is one of the nicest facilities in Venice. They also have 27 holes here, and this course is always really well maintained and in great condition year-round. Capri Isles is an 18-hole course that was rebuilt in 2003. The layout of this course is really cool, with some great water features and green configurations. The fact that all 3 of these great courses are located within a mile of each other is amazing. Moving on, let's look at a few of the neighborhoods in the Capri Isles area. Pelican Pointe Golf and Country Club is one of the largest neighborhoods in this area. Located south of Venice Avenue between Jacaranda and Pinebrook, this is an award-winning community built by one of the premier builders in the area, Sam Rogers. Pelican Pointe is a gated community with beautiful landscaping, well-maintained roads, and many of the homes here have views of either the golf course, a lake, or nature preserves. Residents here enjoy a ton of great amenities. This includes the Country Club, which is a 22,000 square foot clubhouse with a fitness center, a pool, lounge, and dining area. The golf course itself is a 27-hole semi-private course, and membership is not required for residents. The HOA fees here can range from $275 a month to about $415 a month, and these include cable, lawn maintenance, and a social membership. Pelican Pointe offers condos, villas, and single-family homes ranging from $400,000 up to almost $900,000. Another neighborhood in this area of Venice that I really like is Waterford. Waterford is a golf community that is located north of Edmondson Road between Pinebrook and 75. Developed in the 1990s, this is a gated community with over 640 homes, half of which are single family and the other half are detached villas. Located right on the golf course, Waterford offers its residents resort-style amenities, which includes a clubhouse, fitness center, a heated pool and spa, and several tennis courts. What I like most about this neighborhood is the layout of the community around the golf course and the quality of the houses and landscaping. The Homeowners Association does a great job with maintenance. It really reflects, as this is one of the most pristine areas in Venice. Most of the single-family homes here are 3- and 4-bedroom layouts, most of which have private pools, and there are also villas that offer maintenance-free living. Home prices here will range anywhere from the mid-400s to the mid-700s, and the HOA fees can be anywhere from $130 to about $400 a month. Sawgrass is another neighborhood in the Capri Isles area of Venice I'd like to highlight. Known as one of the premier communities in Venice, Sawgrass is a neo-communities neighborhood developed in the early 2000s. Located on the golf course just west of Auburn Road and south of Edmondson, Sawgrass is home to just over 500 homes, all of which are single-family residences. These homes have 8 different floor plans available, ranging anywhere from 1,900 square feet to over 2,500 square feet, with both 3- and 4-bed options. Residents here enjoy top-of-the-line amenities, being located right on the golf course, with a heated pool and a fitness center as well. Purchase prices here can range anywhere from the mid-500s to the mid-800s. HOA fee is just over $130 a month. What I like most about this neighborhood is the quality of homes and the location, being so close to 75 and just a quick 10-minute drive over to Venice Island. The Capri Isles area of Venice also offers a ton of great options in the form of condos and villas for people looking for that maintenance-free lifestyle. Just between Venice Avenue and Edmondson Road alone, there are over 20 different condo and villa communities. Many of which of these are right on the golf course. Most of these communities offer resort-style amenities with heated pools and fitness centers. Some even include tennis and basketball courts as well. Here you'll find a wide variety of housing options, from hotel-style condos to detached villas, mostly with 2-2 and 3-2 options, and purchase prices ranging anywhere from the low 200s to the mid 400s. This area is great because you're right next to some great golf courses and within walking distance to Pinebrook and Wellfield parks, where they have great hiking trails, sports courts, baseball and football fields, and a little playground for kids as well. The Capri Isles area is one of my favorite locations in Venice. Being between downtown and 75 is really convenient. Having 3 great golf courses all within a mile of each other, and the atmosphere each of the communities offers is ideal from anyone from retirees to young families alike. In this video, we only highlighted a few of the communities here. There are many other great options as well. If you'd like more information on any of these neighborhoods, please feel free to reach out anytime. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Nick with Zachos Realty. Thank you.